How to get transcript from YouTube video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Simply go to the video you want to see transcript of. After you're in the video, bottom of the topic, you'll find more. Simply click on more in there. You'll find all these options. Scroll down, you'll find transcript. And after you find transcript, click on show transcript. And after you click on show transcript, you will find all these transcripts. You can search if you want to. If not, you can also turn on your video and press on sync to video. It will sync as the video plays. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to get transcript from YouTube video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.